Guys, today I am going to talk about what I expect for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So I'm going to talk about a couple of different charts, everything you need to know with both Bitcoin and Ethereum and traditional markets actually as well. So welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And guys, before we start, I need to give you this massive opportunity. I have partnered with OKX, and for the first 250 users, they are giving away $50 just by depositing $300 in USDT, completing KYC, making one spot trade, and then the funds will be credited to your account. You also are able to claim up to $10,000 over on OKX in addition to this bonus here, but this is only for the first 250 users. So if you don't have an account on OKX yet, make sure to sign up using this link and take advantage of this offer. It's only for the first couple of people here, so this is going to run out fast, so make sure to take advantage of that. Again, $50 by just depositing $300 and making a spot trade. You don't have to make a big trade either. You can just make a $10 trade. You can let this money be in the account, you can get the bonus, and then that's all. Okay guys, so with that said, let's get straight into what I see here for Bitcoin. So on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that we've been having this kind of trend of going up here, which is absolutely fantastic. Higher highs, higher lows, and most importantly, we have broken above the orange box here. So you can see that on the 4-hourly time frame, we are above the orange box. We did make a try here, we went straight down, did another try here, went down, and now we're actually making this support here on the edge of the orange box. So this is looking good. The higher the time frame in which we close above this level, the more kind of strong it is, or the more we should read into it. So on the daily time frame, we still haven't closed above the orange line. You can see that we've had a wick here on the daily, a couple of wicks. We haven't really recently been closing above this level. Maybe this candle is going to close. So we will see today if this candle closes above the orange box, because that would be good, because that would be the first time we see a daily close above that level for quite a while. Now we've had a couple of 4-hourly closes above that. You can see, well, one here basically, but not yet a daily close. So that is absolutely fantastic. Also, this wedge formation we've been talking about, you can see that we are actually breaking above this right now. Boom, we have this as support, and now we've made this support, and hopefully we're gonna see a little bit of a pump here. This is what the pattern is suggesting. Now what you can also pay attention to is on the wicks here, we do have, you know, something like this as well, of course. So this is something I've been talking about, how you are most likely going to see this wedge or the price respect both the edges of the wicks, but also the edges of the candles. So as we had this in the beginning. So pay attention to that, guys. We still have that, but things are looking decent on the back of this wedge here as well. One thing I will show you is on the daily time frame. If I flip on the moving averages, you can see that we've been rejected here of the 100-week moving average. And if we do see a pump here, the next level is going to be on the moving averages, the 200-week moving average on the daily time frame. And this is exactly where we got rejected the previous time in March. So we went down, we had a rejection of this green line, which is the 200-day moving average. So just remember that if we do see continuous pumps here, now this is at $33,000, so it's still quite ways off, but just keep that in the back of your mind. If we do see a big rally here, we do have this coming at the 200-week moving average up here at around $33,000. I am, of course, going to keep you updated, so make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Moving on, we of course have massive resistance here also at $26,000 approximately, the edge of this trend line. So this is something I think is definitely going to be pretty strong resistance for Bitcoin, but so far so good. Everything is looking like we know that there's only going to be a matter of time until Bitcoin goes on a, big rally. And I would argue that the rally we're seeing right now is definitely also big, but this is what you can expect, because we've been saying over the long term, we've seen many indicators pointing towards the bottom already being in, and how, yes, over time, Bitcoin is going to go up. So although we're trying to take advantage of these, this volatility, because you're going to have big swings to the up and to the downside, long term, things are still, you have to have a bullish bias for Bitcoin, in my opinion, over the next year or 2 years. So that's super cool. Now for Ethereum, you can see that we are above $2,000, which is absolutely amazing. We do have this resistance up at 2088, so pay attention to that. On the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, also on the daily time frame, you can see that We are, flirting with the edge of the orange box here. This is on the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, as I said. So this just shows us if Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin or not. It has nothing with USD values. But we have had a period where we actually went above this right here as well, just for us to get rejected. So on the weekly time frame, it is looking like this. We still haven't closed the weekly candle above this, of course. We did close it right here, found some support, but then ultimately we failed and Bitcoin started to outperform Ethereum again. Now the merge is a significant event. Is it going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news? We don't know. But traditional markets, they are also opening up today evening, so be prepared for that. If we do see a dump here, of course, Bitcoin is going to take a beating as well, and the rest of the crypto market. But so far, things are looking good. I mean, this looks like it wants to go up to the next level of resistance here at 4,415. So traditional markets, the market are reacting good to the macroeconomic circumstances right now, at least. So we will see about that. Time is going to be in our favor here, because over time, I think crypto, Bitcoin, if you're in the right cryptos, you are going to make a fortune. And just like I said, guys, don't forget, if you want to claim the $50 bonus, this massive event is happening right now, only for the first 250 users. Make sure to sign up to your OKX using this link right here. Deposit $300 and claim this $50. You can trade with the $50. You don't have to trade with the $300. And that's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.